Got the badge?
Oh, hair by Baba. Hair by Baba.
Say hi, guys.
Hi guys,
Say subscribe.
right.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to our channel. As y'all can tell by today's title, today's video is going to be our family night routine. I just want to give a huge shout out to today's sponsor for today's video, which is Blissy. So we have switched to Blissy pillowcases lately, and when I tell you guys, they have changed the game. You guys always ask me how I preserve my hair for so long. As you guys know, I'm like the blowout queen. I love my blowouts. You guys always ask how I'm able to keep my blowout for so many days, and it is truly because I sleep on a silk pillowcase. Even when I travel, like when I went back home to Ohio, I packed my silk pillowcases, changed them out when I got there, and I continued to sleep on my silk pillowcases. Not only are silk pillowcases amazing for your hair, by the way, it works for any hair texture, whether you have curly hair or straight hair, whether you heat style your hair, it will benefit your hair. But one of the great things about silk pillowcases is that they're actually really great for your skin as well. So especially someone like me, I have really dry skin, and when you sleep on the cotton pillowcases, it really can just like absorb your skincare products, if that makes sense. With silk pillowcases, I really find that it helps, you know, keep my skincare on my face, and I don't wake up with any weird lines on my face or any wrinkles. It's just so good for your skin, it's so good for your hair, and it keeps you nice and cool all night. And just to top it all off, it's just so luxurious. It's something so little that adds so much to your room and just helps romanticize your life and your night routine and just makes your bed look so much more beautiful. So that is why I'm so thankful to Blissy for partnering with us for today's video. All their pillowcases are 100% pure mulberry silk, and you guys can actually check them out in the link down below because I actually have a whole landing page with them. It's super cute, so you guys should definitely go check it out, link down below, and also use my discount code to shop. I'll also put that on the screen right here. Blissy actually specializes in a bunch of silk goodies, so I just want to show you guys some more. So they also have scrunchies. Now silk scrunchies are also a game changer. That is how I tie my hair up for pull or anything like that, so I don't get any creases in my hair. And using silk again really helps keep your hair nice and frizz-free. And I actually started sleeping with my hair up. So I used to sleep with my hair down, and then that got me thinking, like, I wash my hair once a week. So especially someone like me being acne prone, like imagine like my hair is like a week old and I'm sleeping on it like this. Think about all the dirt and the oil that's like, you know, soaking into my skin at night. I know that sounds kind of icky to think about, but I take one of my silk scrunchies and I tie my hair up in a loose bun and I sleep on my silk pillowcase, and I wake up with my hair literally like this. Like I don't even have to brush my hair and my hair looks flawless. So not only do they have scrunchies, but they also have these glam bands. So these are also great to keep your hair out of your face when you're washing your face or you're doing your makeup. It's kind of just like a silk headband. But just again, guys, silk is really the way to go for anything when it comes to your hair, to really keep it nice and frizz-free, not get any creases or any tangles. And you guys, Blissy just recently released their junior line, so you can get nice silk pillowcases for your little ones. And when I tell you guys, Vaughn needs this because of his curls. You guys see that boy has beautiful curls on his head, but cotton sheets, cotton pillowcases are not for his hair. Let me tell you, he wakes up with his hair like a little puff ball. So I'm really excited to put this on Vaughn's bed once he gets a little bit older. So Vaughn is currently 22 months. They're not recommended to have like pillows in their bed until they're 2 years old. So I'm so excited for when he gets a little bit older to put these pillowcases on his bed, especially this one, you guys. When I saw they had this style, I was like, all right, it's done. You guys already know Vaughn has a galaxy themed room. So these pillowcases, you guys, are galaxy themed. I am so done. Look how cute this is. And also, guys, their pillowcases are so luxurious. They have these gorgeous, every single one has this beautiful embroidery detail in it. But look at this galaxy themed silk pillowcase. Cute is that? And these are gonna help his little curls so much. The pillowcases come in a bunch of different colors, sizes, and patterns. So again, make sure you guys check out the link down below and also check out my landing page. And also I wanted to mention, I was buying silk, quote unquote, silk pillowcases from Amazon for a while. And once I got these are like 100% real silk. I really looked at my pillowcases and I'm like, these feel really different. And I looked at the tags, guys, and all of my silk pillowcases from Amazon were 100% polyester. They were polyester, they weren't even silk. So make sure you guys check out Blissy and do yourself a favor for your hair and your skin and get yourself some Blissy pillowcases. So without further ado, let's get into today's night routine.
Beep, 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 beep. Ah, Bunny. Look, Bunny, beep, Baba. He just, Bunny.
Yes.
Look. In.
Being a parent means cleaning up before you have dinner so that you don't stack on top of the mess you're gonna have after you have dinner.
Yeah.
What?
Go.
Yak. Do. Say.
Grab the bags?
He did, mommy.
I gave him a kiss, he goes, no.
Hey, Daddy, mommy.
You don't want me.
Oh my God. Yes.
Vaughn has chicken,
Yes.
rice,
Yeah.
and some cream cheese wontons.
Yeah.
He stole some chicken from mommy's salad.
Yeah.
Really?
Cause my chicken's
Put your dirty fingers in my salad?
my chicken's a little bit spicy, so I didn't want to share it.
I didn't want Thai food, so I just got my little salad that I get from this restaurant. But I'm so sad. I literally put, I want romaine instead of spring mix, and they always put the spring mix.
When I order it for you, I always put it in all caps, and I make sure I put please at the end so they know I'm not yelling
I
at
put please
them.
at the beginning. Maybe that's why.
No, you gotta put all caps, sub, romaine, and kale, and then put please so they know you're not being an asshole.
Look at Vaughn when I shake my salad.
Put on my head. Daddy, no head.
My clip. They stole my clip.
Just do no head. Yeah. Oh, he won that.
Look.
He won that. Why you don't make it like that here?
You know what, guys? Maybe I'm growing up because spring mix is actually not that bad. Hey, let's see your food. This is Vaughn's food. He's almost done already.
Kung Pao chicken.
Yum.
Come here.
Hair by Baba. Hair by Baba.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, looks nice.
Good. No. That's you. That you always you say no. Not us. Us we say yes. You say no. You say.
Vaughn always gotta be the main character.
Tell the camera a story. Tell them a story. How was your day today? No. This was actually our first time doing 2 different Postmates orders, and I like it. It saved us a lot of back and forth bickering.
So after we finished eating, I just did a quick kitchen cleanup, and I also got all the toys in the living room. And this is the best part of ordering out. You don't have a huge mess in the kitchen to have to clean after dinner. You can just relax. I mean, obviously there's still some cleaning to do, but definitely love that. Don't have to clean up. And I defend it by saying that we're supporting a local business.
Typically, once we put Vaughn to sleep, that's when we shut down the kitchen, essentially, meaning all the dishes are washed, everything's wiped down and cleaned, and we're ready to start our morning. Yeah.
So I had to go with my mom and my sister. Pat and Val, both full-time school teachers.
Okay, Vaughn. We're supposed to be taking a shower. A shower? Yes. Shower. Wanna take a shower? Come on, we gotta take your clothes off. Ready to take a shower? He has so much energy right now, guys. But usually after he gets out of the shower, he's very calm and chill. So we'll see if he's on that today.
The water on the river.
Say hi, guys.
Guys,
Say subscribe.
what?
Say welcome to my channel.
Little Dado.
Say see you later.
Hello.
Bye. Love you. You kiss right here, not the screen. Kiss right there. Oh, you're so cute.
Now that Kayvon is a bit older, we just do family showers. So we still do give him his bubble baths here and there, but it's just such a huge time saver for us, and it's just so convenient to just all take a shower together. So I'm tying up my hair with this Blissy scrunchie, and you guys, this shade of green, this shade of emerald is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm just tying my hair up just to keep my hair out of my face and not get it wet during my shower, and I'm also using this silk scrunchie to preserve my blowout. I hope you guys know under this music, Vaughn is literally screaming at us in the shower to fill up his little cup with water. But here are some of the products I use during my shower, and my body wash, my face wash, all that stuff. And yeah, we didn't want to do too many steamy shower clips, but this is what we do after every shower. We have this little setup ready for Vaughn.
This little cuddle sesh randomly became a part of our routine one day. I was tucking Vaughn in like you saw in the last clip, just trying to be funny, and he loved it, and he sat still and didn't move. And any chance we can get Vaughn to sit still and cuddle with us, we're going to take advantage. So we do this every night now.
After the shower, we always do an episode of, my personal favorite is Caillou, but it'll be like Curious George or Mickey Mouse or something like that. And then we just go ahead and do his bedtime routine in our bed. I love you.
I love you. You love me. We're a happy family. A great big hug. Kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too?
Boy, have kiss. Love you.
I
love you.
Another kiss. Another kiss.
Good, mommy, have a kiss. Mommy.
Give Stuffy kiss. Give Wuzzy.
He has been such a little kisser lately. He loves giving kisses. Okay.
Oh my God.
We love you, KK. See you in the morning. See you in the morning. Luckily, guys, I cleaned his room earlier today, so I didn't have to do it before bed.
Night, Bobo. I love you.
Night.
So you see here, I use my mouthwash before I start brushing my teeth, and I did that in a previous morning or night routine, and a few of you guys were coming for me. This is just something I do. It really doesn't matter what order you do it in. I just feel like it makes a little bit more sense to use mouthwash when your mouth is actually dirty, but that's just the reason I do it. And now I'm going to apply my Differin. I honestly am not knowledgeable enough on Differin to even talk about it. Besides, my wife told me that it's good for my skin, and I have seen improvements through using it. When your wife values good skin like mine does, you listen to what she says. So if I haven't already, I like to pick out my hair before I go to sleep, just so that I'm not waking up with it all dry and matted down. I put some moisturizers in, and then also to get rid of any loose hairs or curls that may have flaked off throughout the day.
It was my turn. I just heard what Mel said about the mouthwash, and I actually saw a TikTok on it, and apparently there's way more fluoride in your toothpaste than your mouthwash, which is why you should do your mouthwash first and then brush your teeth afterwards. So I'm using my Colgate, my Tao toothbrush, and the thing about using toothpaste as well. You're not supposed to like rinse your mouth out with water or anything after you're done brushing your teeth. You're just supposed to kind of like keep spitting until you get all that excess toothpaste out. Now I'm just talking too much. Going in with my skincare routine, my skincare products, I'll have those linked down below for you guys. I just started using that moisturizer. Not sure how I feel about it. You guys know I'm always scared to try new things with how sensitive my skin is. Then of course, brushing my hair before bed. And now this is my time to kind of unwind. Sometimes Mel will be in bed before me and vice versa. He had some, I think he was playing the game downstairs, to be honest, but I had some work to finish up, so I just went ahead and got on my laptop. You guys know I'm a night owl, so I'll literally be sending emails at like midnight. That's the type of person I am. You can wake up to it. What's that little deliciousness you brought in here?
So chicken salad.
As you can see, Mel brought in a little midnight snack, and I'm just spraying our silk pillows with our Blissy pillow mist. It smells like lavender and eucalyptus, just to help us relax and get ready to watch our show. Here. What color should I do? Purple? Or chocolate lamp? You know, since we're watching Euphoria, gotta get in character. We just ended our night by watching the new episode of Euphoria. And by the way, my little light that you see in the corner, that is the Hatch clock / sound machine. So it's really cool. You can change the light. You can also set your alarm. And it's also our sound machine that we sleep with every single night. So you guys are going to see me turn on the sound. We sleep with like this rainfall noise. And that's it for our night routine.